In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can reset your Android phone. For example, now if your Android phone is giving you an issue like it normally take times to boost and it always hang, and maybe you have batteries issue, or the phone settings have totally changed and you don't actually like the way it is, what you can do in order to restore back your phone to the way it was before is to do the phone resetting. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can reset your Android phone and come back to the normal form that it was before. So without wasting much time, guys, let's dive into the video. So here you can go to your Android settings. Okay, just go to your Android settings, which is this very one, and then touch there. Under the Android settings, what you can do for you to go down. Okay, so make sure you pay close attention and then come over to this place, this system. So under system, we have this thing that says reset. Let me actually, okay, here we have reset. And then under this place we have reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. We have reset data, which I'm going to click each of these ones. So here you can actually reset all these things. Maybe your Wi-Fi is giving you problem, or your mobile data is actually giving you problem. You can actually reset it. And the main purpose of this video is how we can reset our phone, that is factor reset. Then click on this, and here they are going to give you some several options here. See, this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, systems and app data and settings, downloader app, music, photos, other users data. You are currently signing into those following accounts. Now when it comes to resetting your phones, what I will advise you is that when you have any personal data that you know that is very important, please, before you reset your phone, make sure you have already copied all your data into another file or a drive that will actually help you to store your information. So later, when you have already reset your phone, you can also transfer those information back to your phone. So after that, you can just click on erase all data. So once you click on this place, it's going to erase all the phone's data, and your phone is going to come back to the way it was before as brand new one. So guys, if you love this tutorial, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like this video, share my video, and also comment. Tell me where you are watching me from. I really appreciate you for your time and for the love and for standing by to watch my video. If you are a returner subscriber, please, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much.